buddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Some mommy milk?
Hey, Daddy. Yeah, that milk, I like it. Yeah, he's smiling. He's just smiling. Yeah. Yeah, I sure did. He's smiley wailing. You're the big smiley. Yes, you are.
Keep your head back.
I'm so smiling. Did you get that last one? You're so smiling. How'd you get so happy?
Did you get some mommy milk, buddy? Did you get some mommy's milk? Did you get your mama's milk? Was it good? Was it good, buddy?
It was good.
Mommy milk. Mama
It
milk.
was tasty. That sweet little face. Sweet little face. Sweet little face. It just cracks me up too much.
Hey, Waylon. Hey, there, buddy.
It's like that one eye's just the last to open. When he's got it open, though, it looks good.
Hey, buddy.
You're making Mommy cry. You're laughing too much. Baby doll, you look so good. A little 4-pounder. A little porker. It's a big boy. It's a big boy.
Hey, buddy.
Oh,
What are you doing?
what's he doing?
What you doing, Waylon? What are you doing? You're going to be in a crib tomorrow.
I'm not going to have to
You
be
don't
in
have
that
to be in the
ice
box
bed.
anymore.
What'd you think of that? Yeah? No? You don't like that idea?
What do you say, buddy? What do you say?
How red he's getting. Oh, he's stretching. I can't stretch. I'm all bundled up.
What's the matter, boo-boo?
I'm just stretching.
What you
Just
doing?
stretching.
You want a wet tissue or something?
I was going to get him to suck on my pinky.
Waylon, what are you doing, boy? What's going on? What's going on, buddy?
I'm still kind of sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
He's quiet.